Hello and welcome to my Connect roller coaster update 1. Let's do this. Anyway, I hope you're having a fantastic day. I need to get off the floor. Give me a second. Oh, let's go. Okay, so this is what I've been working on for the past few days in isolation. So what I've done is I've built a Maverick-like roller coaster, but with a lift hill. And it works so far. However, it is not completed as this track here goes off to nowhere. Oh yeah, ignore that. That was some bad stuff that I didn't do right. But yeah, basically, I'm planning for 2 inversions on this thing. It's got a height of around 80 centimeters. You go down this beyond vertical drop here into the first turn, lots of positive g-forces, then into an inversion here, which will probably go up like that. And then after that, follow around here, go over this like pre-lift section of track, come round, loads of nice bunny hills, lots of airtime, and round into the brakes right here. Remember to stay tuned to see some future updates, and if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe and like the video. It really helps, guys, honestly. Thank you so much. But I'll leave you here with a few ending shots of the roller coaster in action.